Hi there, this is Philip again with my Android project for Chapter 9. This week we were working on building an application for a tablet that uses the master/detail flow activity layout and utilizing that layout throughout the entire application. I chose to do the project where we chose 6 top tech websites and displayed those in a web view for the user to browse. So without much further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in and take a look at the code. Alright, so the first thing we're going to be looking at is the dummy item list. Essentially, this is where you can add the various items for the master list onto the application. So I basically chose 6 technology websites basically at random, and then I included the item URL, which lets the program know which way it needs to go in order to find those websites. As you can see, I've set up a web view. I basically just set it to fill up the entire screen. And then, of course, you've got the view here of sort of what it'll look like once the user takes a look at it. The last thing is the inflator, which basically lets the program or application know where it needs to head based on each click. So let me go ahead and load up the emulator and we'll take a look at the program in action. Okay, so we've got the app up and running. So very quickly, let me demonstrate that it does indeed work. So if you click on the first option, CNET, it's going to bring up the website for CNET. We'll just click the fifth option, TechCrunch, which will bring up the TechCrunch website. Basically, it'll continue to do that with every single one of the sites. Dealing with some network limitations here in internet speed, but you can see that it does load up each of the websites and that the app does indeed function. I hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at my project for Chapter 9, and I continue to enjoy working with Android. Thanks so much for watching.